Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME Narzo 80 Lite, and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the section About Phone. Then let's scroll and find Version, and keep tapping on the build number until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. If you can't find build number, no worries, just localize something like the version number or something similar. Alright, so after that we have to go back and tap on System and Update and tap on Developer Options. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. We've got a lot of things to personalize. So for example, we can manage the display cutout, we can show layout bounds, pointer location. Here we've got some options which are connected with the networking overall. And basically all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher next to the option, and your device will immediately apply this feature. You can tap on it again to turn it off, and if you've got the options without the switcher, like here for example, simply tap on them to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, simply tap on the switcher which is pinned to the top of the screen actually. Just tap on it and your device will ask to simply tap on restart. It needs to be restarted to fully turn off the developer options, so just tap on restart and then your device will automatically be automatically powered off and then powered on again, and the developer options will disappear from the system and update settings. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.